Alright guys, we're going to Cococay. Let's go.
Wow, we're in Cococay, guys.
Yeah.
So we have two ships. What's ship? This is the Celebrity Cruises, and we are actually this one here, the Royal Caribbean. So if you guys been following our channels, our channel started with the water park. Unfortunately, today we're gonna skip the water park in Cococay. It's very nice here right now. I think it's like 70 something. We're going to the chill island, guys. Let's go. That's what they do. We have the shark, dolphin, turtle, yeah. Now you still need it, right? To record.
Are you excited?
Very excited.
Yeah.
I'm vlogging too. So as you guys know, we are from New York. Currently New York is winter time. It's super cold. The kids is having their mid-winter recess. We have 1 week off with the kids, so we decided to go to Cococay, enjoy the beautiful weather. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a good spot. We're gonna take a family photo here. Alright, we got a tan.
Yeah.
Let's go. This is nice.
Yes. Yeah. And that's a snorkeling area.
Yeah, we're gonna do snorkeling. So I already start playing sand. How's the water, Gabriel? It's cold? So cold. Water is kind of cold actually. It's so weird. Cyan, the sand is so soft, right? It's like very soft. Ah, it's nice.
So we're all getting to use this fast. And William's gonna wearing it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Equipment.
Are you excited?
Fans.
Like Gabriel get the green one, Cyan get the blue one. Oh, Cyan is all ready.
Guess we have a lot of content creator in this area. I don't really see anything.
Alright, now we get into lunch. A nice place here.
Yeah, so they have the sandwiches, toppings, taco. Get a burger?
Yeah. Come on.
Yep, I think so.
Without cheese, right?
Yeah. Yeah, makan. Put our stuff here. Alright, so this area here is the Cococay and the cafeteria, I guess. The food here are similar to the Windjammer. Windjammer in the ship, yeah. The food here is all you can eat. You can get whatever you want, and it's also included part of the package if you're going coming here with the Royal Caribbean. The comebacks with tacos.
Ooh, and also this like ribeye steak. Gabriel gonna like it.
Oasis Lagoon, alright. It's a beautiful day today. Once in a while the sun does come out, but I do prefer when the sun's got covered by the cloud. Oh, there's also a bar here if you wanna order some drinks. Just give me a. Try to record me. Oh, that's so big! Wow! Alright.
Right. Alright. Oh my! Yeah!
That's so hard. berisik. Aduh.
What do we do now? Is there a slide? Oh, this is terrible. Rarely works. Go. Okay. Woo! This slide sucks.
What happened, Gabriel? The slide is not good. Come on, guys, join us. Zion, let's go, Zion. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Finally, Rainiers family got the chance to try the Japanese hot cup.
Texting, bro. What's up, guys? We're in Bahamas. Let's go. Just out from the ship. We are officially in Bahamas now. There's so many cruises here. We have Adventures of the Seas. This is the one that we are on 2 years ago. They have the Celebrity, they have the Mardi Gras, and it's a beautiful day. This ship is so big. Okay, Zion, go over here. Do the comparison. This is Zion size, and this is the big ship. So if you have been joining our video, so we are actually on the cruise right now. This is basically a cruise of celebrating David's 70th birthday. We are now on day 4. We are in Bahamas.
Ferry dip every half an hour back and forth now, it's 5:30.
We are on our own. We are going to get the water ferries taxi. We're going to the Atlantis. So just for your information, you can also do a pig experience, turtles, blah blah blah. All of those are not included. They are extra though. Right. Very hectic.
Safety, safety. Thank you.
Yeah, you're too much, bro.
You gotta share, yeah.
Thank you. Security safety here is very interesting, eh?
Just like in Indonesia.
Yeah. Watch your step, guys. Gotta watch our left. You also wanna pay attention on the right. So if you have been following our channels, you know we love water park. This is one of the water park here, the Atlantis.
15 minutes walk to Atlantis.
Yeah, so I was saying, so we're not really doing a water park right now because the water park is so expensive. Like all over the place. This is our first time here, kind of confusing. So as soon as you get off from the boat, you can either go with the other tour. They sell another offering another services where you know you can go to their car and they're gonna charge you certain dollars to bring you to the places that you want to go. Now we are going to the Atlantis. It's about, they say about 20 minutes, but I think it's gonna be less. So we and a bunch of people there, we are going to the Atlantis right now.
Yeah, when they put the sign.
Celia is every 5 steps. Picture time. 2, 3, smile. Alright, let's check out the Souvenir. Okay, we found an ice cream for Zion.
Yeah.
Excited. You wish there's Indomie here.
This is Coco.
Yeah. What's the ice cream, good?
It's very good.
Everybody eating. There's a casino.
I guess we're here.
Okay, whatever that is, it looks very cool. Pretty interesting here. The casino is not that big, but it's also not that crowded today. 1, 2, 3. See a lot of dolphins here.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Mama, the ship, I think the ship is leaving.
So tips for you guys, if you go into Bahamas, want to buy magnets and some souvenir, I think you should go and support these little stores instead of the one in the hotels. Over there they also charge you very more expensive. Here magnets is cost about $5. The one over there out there is gonna cost like $20, $10. I don't know if the camera can see this, but we have a lot of fishes here too. This was built for James Bond's movie. Alright, we are in the gift shop. There's a lot more gift shop here, and it is a lot cheaper here, right?
Yeah, what size? Maybe we should medium or large?
For Gabriel, maybe large. I have no idea where we are right now, but there's a lot of gift shops. I'm trying to find something to eat.
So it's even hotter here. Oh my god.
I'm really not sure what to eat, but definitely we have a lot of souvenir stores. I think this is the biggest souvenir store here. It's called the Straw Market. Ooh, look at that. This is similar to the one in Indonesia. It's like the pasar something in Indonesia. Pasar Atum.
That is so wrong. I'm still looking. Probably just gonna get one. Come back.
You say whalebone?
Whalebone.
Oh yeah?
And you got a problem in the middle left.
I like the whalebone.
Pick out one what you like.
Yeah, look, pick which one you
So you
like.
gotta pick, but you have to put our name.
Yeah.
Rainiers family.
Easy.
Kamu suka mana?
Sama.
I think the one without the red is better.
Our first souvenir.
Yeah.
Bahamas.
I think we're gonna ride it.
Alright, Gabriel ride it. Oh, mommy ride it. Wow. Rainiers, you like it?
Tip, tip. Okay, so basically, I got a sword for $20. It has the whalebone here. Tell me if it's real. And we got the crab over here. See it? Oh yeah. And then carved reindeers.
From Bahamas. Going back to our ship now. We've been what? 4 hours here?
Yeah.
So it
we
was
around 10:30.
yeah. So we did try to find something to eat, but we were not sure what to. So we decided just to go back to our ship and get the free food. Food here is very pricey. So we end up using our money just to buy the souvenir stores. Buy this thing, and we also buy this. Some little boys are selling for $5, so we're like, just help him out.
Look what I have.
That's what I said, plan.
So
We also
have
buy the hat.
hats.
Yeah, this one is also we were helping a lady selling for $5.
Lady.
Magnet.
And of course our t-shirt for our family, all colorful.
Now you know my money goes to this, not the lunch. We're currently at the pork marketplace.
Guys having some braids?
Air braids if you are interested to.
Kamu nggak mau di braid ah?
I have no hair, babe. I am so tired. What do you think about Bahamas?
It's nice.
Huh?
Beautiful island.
How about you,
right?
Sam?
Beautiful water.
It has some interesting souvenirs. Questionable.
Questionable souvenir. How about you?
It's pretty cool, but very hot.
Yeah. So don't get me wrong, if you watch our video kind of boring, well, we technically do not do the cool activities. They have a lot of water parks. You can swim with the dolphins, the turtles, the pig. They
Yeah,
have
swim with the
bunch,
pig.
yeah, bunch of cool activities, but
We just didn't have the time.
we just didn't have the time, and so expensive.
Mahal banget, mahal banget.
Let's go. Wow, Zion's ready. Zion. Oh, friend. Did I got shot? Did I got shot? You're dead? good job, guys.
Yeah, it's so much
Good job.
And feathers